Hey guys, how's it going? A while ago, I said I will make a video about an example about the use of ChatGPT. Most of you probably by now have heard of ChatGPT and how it can help students or help workers, really helps most human beings. From your perspective, maybe you're a university student or you're going to university in the US or in the UK. One common thing or one common question is people asking, how can I improve my writing? Okay, you've done your Duolingo or your IELTS, but that's not the end of the road. So ChatGPT, couple of things though, you have to be careful from universities. They outright the use of ChatGPT and they actually have tools to catch you if you use ChatGPT. So this is very dangerous. So check your school policy. The second thing is don't let ChatGPT do your work. Use ChatGPT to improve your work, not to do your work. This is very crucial. Okay, if you just use it to do your work, you're not gonna learn or make the most use of it. Okay, so in this example, it's very common. A lot of people they want to improve their writing, like I said. Let's say the essay question. Okay, some universities they tell you have to write a 200, 300, or whatever word essay why you want to actually join the university. Okay, so typically people will just say write an essay about why I want to join the, let's say, cyber security program at the University of California, San Diego. Yeah. Just hit enter. That's it. It does your work. Okay. So it has an introduction, it has paragraphs, conclusion, all these things. So, like I said, use it to improve your writing, not to copy. If you just copy paste, you'll be caught and you're not gonna make the most use of ChatGPT. Okay. So you see, like it will write as much as you want in some cases. So how do we make the most? How do you actually customize this? How do you actually make it more personal, right? Um, this, if you want to make the most of ChatGPT, you have to use what's known as prompt engineering. Prompts are just like the stuff that we write. It's just like our part of the chat. It's called prompts. But now there is a growing field called prompt engineering, and it's about how do you actually best use these kind of tools. So ChatGPT is not the only one. There are a lot of tools. Anyway, so let's say we want to tell it, okay, write an essay, but customize it. Okay, like make it personal. How is it possible to make it personal? You give it a sample of your writing, any writing, and then it will study it, and then it will actually give you something from ChatGPT that will be customized to you. Okay, how does that work? You can either type this or, just to make it quick, I have it like this. Okay, so you just write prompt and then you just put something from your own, or maybe, you can just write something yourself. I want to study, uh, or you can just say it has always been my dream to study in America. Also, cyber security is very important in my country. Excuse me. So you'll give it an example, okay? And then you say analyze the writing style and write an essay about why I want to join the cybersecurity program at the University of California or in same thing, doesn't matter really, but I think it's more correct to say at the University of California, San Diego. So now it's going to actually customize what it wrote. So let's see. See, it changed it now. Okay. It looked at your writing style. Okay. Mm-hmm. It just keeps going again. You can refine it. You can refine it further. Okay. So it told you, okay, it looked at your writing style and then it made this at your writing style. We can even write more prompt. You don't always, when you write prompt, if it's very specific, you write the word prompt. But let's say here we want to say, can you rewrite the above essay in less than, I don't know, 250 words, for example. So this is a prompt. Prompt is what you actually write. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's gonna even make it smaller. Okay, you can even change it further. Okay, make so many changes. So I just wanted to show you this. Hopefully I'll be making more videos, but I wanted to show you how to best use ChatGPT. In your university career, most likely you're not obviously going to write about why I want to join the university, but maybe you're studying business, and then your prof asks you to write an essay about analysis of supply and demand or something like this. Same thing, same idea. Okay. Thank you. Good luck, guys.